Here's how to share reports with others from your YouthTruth dashboard. You can share all available reports by clicking the Share All Reports button here. You can filter for a subset of reports and share those. Or you can share a single report by clicking the Share button next to the report title. Once you've selected the reports to share, review the reports, click Next, enter the email addresses for anyone who you would like to have access, and click Share. You'll receive an email from do-not-reply@surveyresults.org when sharing is complete. If you do not see the email, please check your spam folder. After sharing is complete, the people you shared reports with will also receive an email from do-not-reply@surveyresults.org with instructions about how to access the reports. If you have questions, please email clientservices@youthtruthsurvey.org. Thank you.